Under the theme Shared Vision for a Better World, Kenya joined the rest of the globe to mark the World Standards Day that seeks to raise awareness among regulators, industry and consumers as a way of emphasizing the importance of standardization as a crucial ingredient in the ecosystem of the overall global economy.
And as we are also aware that standards are the ones which facilitate trade. So as we develop standards at Kenya Bureau of Standards, we normally ensure that we are benchmarking with international standards so that we can be able to facilitate trade.
Rebecca Miano, the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, emphasized the importance of standardization.
This sits very well with the celebrations that are upcoming for Mashujaa Day and the launch of universal health coverage, and therefore we are in tune and we want to celebrate this SDG 3 and this setting of standards.
Expanding on the significance of these standards, Esther Ngari, Managing Director, KEBS, emphasized their role in diverse sectors. This happens as Esther Ngari is confirmed as the Managing Director at the Kenya Bureau of Standards after the exit of Bernard Njiraini.
We are in charge and we know that the standards that we are developing, we are implementing them to ensure that then we are able to get into the international market, because that is what will facilitate trade.
Meanwhile, Dr. Juma Muhwana, Principal Secretary, State Department of Industry, MITI, say the stringent measures needs to be put in place to ensure the safety of medical devices, directly impacting the reduction of disease spread.
In terms of pharmaceuticals, agro-processing, and so we really want to see how do you grow your manufacturing. And our target is that by 2025, we want to take the share of manufacturing to 10% of our GDP and take this to 15% by 2027.
To reduce inequalities in access to health care and to create a world where no one suffers needlessly due to preventable diseases or lack of health care. In a sense, we are required to apply standards in supporting health care.
As the event celebrated the essence of standards in fostering a sustainable and progressive nation, the collective voices resonated with the sentiment that standards are more than guidelines.
I think it's a good time to reflect for the Council to go back and ask ourselves, if only 10% of our standards are being used, what is the problem with the other 90%? Is it that they are not relevant? Is it that they are not up to date? Is it that they don't address our need?
Is the need of developing countries to participate and implement standards that are globally agreed. And number two is the importance of collaboration at a global level, which has been spoken about earlier on.
Linda Koskei, K24 TV.